Su Gong, I was chatting with Mr. Zhao a few days ago. He asked whether our computers can connect to the EMS system. Do we need to add any extra modules for that?
Oh, that's easy. Our computers all support EMS system connection. Each screen has a dedicated network port for connecting to the EMS system. You can configure the IP address directly on the screen.
That's great. So, what kind of data can we share with the EMS system?
The typical data we provide includes machine status, production output, alarm info, SPC data, and process parameters. Now, we're looking at a machine currently in operation. We can view key parameters such as pressure, flow rate, temperature, and production count. Let's move to the shared EMS page. On the EMS page, you can view real-time data including machine pressure, flow, temperature, operational status, output, and cycle time.
That's quite comprehensive. I'll go back and explain it to Mr. Zhao.